Today was an Ohme EV install and also adding and making good some sockets in the garage. Bit of a gloomy day, so we needed to get the lights on in the van, always helpful. Needed to add and extend some sockets off of this circuit here, and it was looking a bit ropey, so we made good on a lot of this as we were going. Ripped out some of the old stuff and started making good. Decided to drill into the beams here and bring the cable down and through rather than clip its surface over the top, just to make it a bit tidier. Had to do a T-junction, so I made it off in a nice neat little whisker box and extended our cable down for some additional sockets too, but as we finished it was much tidier than the first lot. This meant we could also add an extra socket that the customer wanted to, and we just used our fire rated clips to get them across the joist work. Whilst we were doing this, we got the EV subboard up and mounted in place as always, drilled the holes through so we know where our cable needed clipping and got our cable clips up into place. D-line clips again, as I now much prefer these to cleats when we're doing these installs. Of course, got to give the cable a customary clean, as always looks a little bit untidy once you pulled it through the wall. Taken to using our cable stripper as well, as this is much easier for EV and armoured cables, makes it much smoother and quicker. Got our click Henley blocks in as well, really starting to like using those too. Mostly the same old procedure these days, there's a similar pattern with all the installs, but it's of course testing at the end, making sure all the EV tests are acceptable, and then a good clean up as usual, both sweeping and hoovering of course. Give the charger a little wipe down after its functional tests, just as we're wrapping up, and as usual peel the plastic off, although I didn't get a video this time. And that was that, new EV charger install with 3 additional sockets and some making good of the existing install, which wasn't prepared for, but we did it just because we couldn't leave some of it as it was. Another job done, and that was Friday wrapped up for us. Follow us for more.